crypto tax software for beginners in 2023, guys. That's what I'm touching on today.
I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only.
Please note that disclaimer. Let's get straight in. Tax software for beginners. So guys, follow along with this video, okay? Jump over to trustradius.com, hit that link down below, and let's talk about crypto tax product. Crypto tax software tracks, manages, and calculates the gains and losses related to cryptocurrency for tax purposes. Now, the tax software supports multiple cryptocurrencies, exchanges, wallets, and blockchain protocols, automatically capturing transaction data for preparation and filling. Now, the software intelligently classifies transactions into trades, payments, staking, mining, margin trading, DeFi, lend, borrowing, fees, airdrops, and forks, able to identify charitable donations and non-taxable transactions as well, such as transfers between exchanges and wallets that you own and buying and holding for crypto. It automatically calculates capital gains and fills out IRS forms 8949, so sales and other dispositions of capital assets. The software helps identify taxable events, so crypto tax software is useful for those companies and individuals that have transacted crypto in the following ways. Depending on your tax jurisdiction, crypto-related tax returns are required if you exchanged cryptocurrency for a product, service, or different crypto, you used crypto to purchase goods or services, you obtained your crypto through mining or staking, you traded or sold crypto, and you were paid a salary in crypto. Now, Accounting crypto tax software, okay, is a crypto portfolio tracking and crypto tax report generation software that helps users to track their crypto portfolio and file their crypto taxes. So it provides a crypto tax calculator, crypto tracker, and a mobile application. The company was founded in 2018, is based in Bar in Switzerland. In October 2022, Accounting was acquired by Glassnode, so the terms of transactions were not disclosed. Their crypto tax tool focuses on delivering an accurate tax output through an easy-to-use platform that guides you every step of the way, from data influx to the review process of your transactions and generations of tax files that align with the user's needs based on their country. So we consider specific files, tax softwares, and legal frameworks in each country in order to deliver a tax solution that best meets the user's needs. Now, CoinTracker is amazing. Go over to cointracker.io and hit that link down below, okay? Because it is the simplest and fastest NFT tax calculator. Can easily keep track of your portfolio, and to determine taxable gains or losses, they actually sync to all your wallets and put your NFT information and calculate the cost basis of gains and losses. You can also add transactions manually if you need to, okay? It has a dedicated NFT Center which allows you all your NFTs across your different wallets. You can sort, filter by wallet and date acquired to make it easy to track and manage your NFTs. It's also a one-step process to add new wallets to auto-populate new NFTs into the center. Periodically sync with all your wallets to get buys and sells to keep your NFT portfolio up to date. You can also easily share owned NFTs via Twitter, and you can access this on our website or through the iOS and Android mobile app. So with CoinTracker, you can import all your BTC, ETH, SOL, etc. transactions across hundreds of wallets and exchanges, and automatically they remove all the hassle of reconciling transactions to calculate the different tax treatments of different crypto altcoins that span across your cryptocurrencies. So guys, it's easily track your digital assets and generate tax forms in literal minutes. Now guys, jump over to milkroad.com, hit that link down below, and talk about CoinLedger. It's a cryptocurrency and NFT tax software built to save time and maximize tax refunds. The platform enables users to import their transaction history across blockchains, dApps, wallets, and CEXs in order to generate an accurate tax report. Now, CoinLedger is one of the most popular tax software and crypto digital assets, quite comprehensive and integrates with a lot of exchanges, offers many tax reports, and is compatible with a lot of regular tax software. The tax forms that are included with CoinLedger services are IRS 8949, Audit Trail Report, Short and Long-Term Gains Report, Crypto Loss Harvesting Report, and the Income Report as well. There is no fee tier available with CoinLedger. It's the first tier hobbyist plan. It costs $49 and supports up to 100 transactions. So to unlock unlimited transactions, you need to select the $300 unlimited plan. If you aren't satisfied with your plan by CoinLedger services, they offer a 2-week money-back guarantee. Guys, there you have it. I hope this did help. Do your own research as well and hit the links down below. Guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell if you want to be notified. And I'll see you next time.